So, quick little video here. Oops. I should probably share my screen so y'all can see what I'm doing, huh? Share screen. Gotta fly in here. Keeps trying to get my arm. Okay. So, if you don't have a Gmail and you want one, type in making a Gmail. Boom, create a Gmail. And then you hit create account. And then you will hit create account, either for yourself or business, either way. Then you put in your name. So I'll put in just a name, and then you put in basic information, birthday and stuff. So then your gender, and then it gives you suggestions, or you can create your own. So let's say I want this. Hit next. Then you create a password, which I'm not going to do because I actually don't want this account. But that's how you do that. So you just Google, create a Gmail, hit create an account, hit create an account for myself. There you go. Hopefully that's helpful.